Good morning, students. Today we will do rest of the problems of the exercise 12.2. We have done question number 1, 2 and 4. Now in the question number 3, this figure is given to us. The question is, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane. We have to find the total area of the paper used. So this is the picture of the aeroplane made by Radha. We have to find the total area of this picture. Okay. So this picture of aeroplane, it is made up of this first portion. So we can find the area of, first we will find the area of all the separate regions. Now this is a triangle. Okay. Again these two are triangle. What is this? This is a rectangle and this is a trapezium. So the total area of the aeroplane picture is area of portion 1 plus area 2 plus area 3 plus area 4 plus area 5. So separately we have to find the area of all the different figures, and then we will get the total area of the aeroplane. Now let us concentrate in this portion. This is the portion 1 of the picture and we have to calculate the area of this. Now we know that this figure is a symmetrical figure. So if this is a 5 centimeter, this should be 5 centimeter, and this is 1. So what about this portion? This is also 1 centimeter. So what is the area of part 1? First we will calculate area of part 1. So to calculate the area of part 1 is a triangle. So we will apply the Heron's formula. And to apply the Heron's formula, first we have to find S. Now what is S? It will be 5 plus 5 plus 1 upon 2. So 11 upon 2, which is equal to 5.5 centimeter. So the area of part 1 will be under root 5.5 minus 5, 5.5 minus 5, 5.5 minus 1, which is equivalent to 5.5 into what it will be? 5.5 minus 5. So this will be 5.5 minus 5. 5 means 5.0. So what is our answer? Our answer is 0.5. So what we will get? 0.5 into 0.5 into 5.5 minus 1.0. So what it will be? 4.5. Now, yes, so that will be under root 5.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 4.5. So, out of these two, one will come out. So, what we are getting? 0.5. This 5.5, 11 into 0.5 we can write. This 4.5 we can write 9 into 0.5. So, how much we are getting? 0.5 into 0.5 into 3 root 11. Which is equal to 0.75 root 11. You can write this also. ठीक है, ये करके भी हम कर सकते हैं, जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको रूट की वैल्यू डालना है. If you know, you can put. So the value of the root 11 is 3.31. The value of root 11 is 3.31, and if we are putting this value, what will be the area of the first portion? 2.49 approximately. I am repeating, you can write this or this. Both are correct. Okay. So thus we have got the area of the first region. Now what is the area of the second part? So area 2. So to calculate the area 2, now what is this? This is a right triangle, है ना? This is a right triangle and see here. This is 6 and this portion is 1.5. ये कितना है? 6 और ये 1.5. So what is the area of the triangle? Half base into altitude. So the area of the portion 2 will be half base into half base into height, which is equal to half. What is base? 6 into 1.5. So this area is equal to 2, 3 ja 6. So 3 5 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3 4, 4 centimeter square. So what is the area of the region? What is the area of the region 2? The area of the region 2 is 4.5 centimeter square. In the same way, the area of the region 4, these two are similar. अलग अलग थोड़ी ना शेप बनेगा. So the area of the fourth region is also 4.5 centimeter square. Now what we are having? Area of the first region equal to 0.75 centimeter square or 2.49 centimeter square. ठीक है? And what is the area of the second portion? Area of the second portion, how much we have got? 4.5 centimeter square. You can number it like this. 1, 2, okay, so that it will easy for us to calculate, to add. So area of the two region we have got. Now we have to find the area of third region. So what more information we are having? We also got the area of the fourth part, and that will be 4.5 centimeter square. Now we have to calculate the area of this third region. Now what is this third region? This is a rectangle. And what is the area of a rectangle? That will be the area of rectangle. And area of rectangle is given by length into breadth. So what is the length here? 6.5 into 1. 6.5 into 1. So how much we are getting? 6.5 centimeter square. Thus we have calculated area of 1, area 2, area 3, area 4. Now our last portion is the fifth, area 3. Now we have to calculate the area of fifth portion. Now this is a trapezium. And what is the area of the trapezium? Area of the trapezium is half B into H. क्या होता है? Area of trapezium. Now what is area 5? It is actually the area of trapezium. And what is the area of trapezium? Half sum of the parallel side into height. And here in this figure, we are not having the height. क्या नहीं है हमारे पास? Height नहीं है. तो सबसे पहले हमको क्या कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा? कि height कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. And to find the height, we have to do the construction. हम construction करके ये height find out करेंगे. Now I am rubbing this figure, है ना? You all are having in your notebook, so you can see it again. Okay. Now let us concentrate in the fifth region. So what is our fifth region? Fifth region is fifth part is a trapezium. And as we all know, area of the trapezium is equal to half A plus B. A plus B means half sum of the parallel sides into height. Half sum of the parallel sides into height. Now what we will do? We will do the construction. What we will construct? We will construct a line parallel to this. What we are constructing? We are constructing this. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. Suppose our trapezium is A, B, C, D. What we will draw? We will draw B, M. Suppose this is M. ये पूरा कितना है? 2 centimeter. So what we have drawn? BM parallel to AD. हमने क्या बनाया? BM parallel to AD. Now AB is parallel to DM. This is given, and this is construction. So this implies A, B, M, D is a parallelogram. Okay. Now when this is a parallelogram, what will be the length of this? BM. ये 1 है तो ये भी क्या होगा? 1, because the opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. And now this whole reason is, this whole length is, DC is 2 centimeter. What about this BM? Now AB is 1, so what about DM? 1 centimeter. What is the reason? Because again AB and DM are the opposite sides of the parallelogram. तो क्या मिल जाएगा हमको? DM is equal to 1. So what is MC? MC कितना हुआ? Total is 2. So what is the value of CM? CM will be DC minus DM. Now DC is 2 minus 1 equal to 1 centimeter. तो आपको इसका क्या मिला? 1 centimeter. So what will be the area of this? Now again this is a equilateral triangle. है ना? So what is the area of the equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4, 1 square. And if we will draw altitude of this, अगर हम इसका altitude draw करते हैं, so the area of this triangle is equal to root 3 by 4, 1 square, and the same thing can be written as half MC into BN. CM into BN. So it will be root 3 by 4, 1 square means 1. So root 3 by 4 equal to half. Now what is CM? CM is 1 into BN. So what is BN? BN will be root 3 by 4 into 2. So root 3 by 2. So what is the height? What is the measure of the height? Measure of the height is root 3 by 2. So if the measure of the height is this, so what will be the area? Area will be area of the portion 5. Area of fifth portion will be, क्या हो जाएगा ये? Half A plus B. What is A? 1. What is B? 2. What is height? Root 3 by 2. So how much we are getting? 1 by 2 into 3 into root 3 by 2. So this will be 3 root 3 upon 4. कितना आया? 3 root 3 upon 4. Thus, what we have got? That the area of the fifth part is 3 root 3 upon 4. है ना? And if we are putting the value of root 3, the answer will be root 3 कितना होता है? 1.73. So 3 into 1.73 upon 4, it will be approximately equal to 1.3. कितना हो जाएगा? 1.3 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। एक बार यहाँ से फिर से समझ लो। देखो मैंने क्या किया, व्हाट वी एक्चुअली वांट, वी वांट द हाइट ऑफ द ट्रेपीजियम। अब हाइट ऑफ द ट्रेपीजियम ऐसे तो निकलेगा नहीं, तो व्हाट वी हैव डन, वी हैव कंस्ट्रक्टेड BM पैरेलल टू AD। ठीक है, क्या बनाया हमने, ये क्वेश्चन सेपरेटली भी पूछा जा सकता है, जरूरी नहीं कि पूरा फिगर कंबाइन करके बिल्कुल सेम टू सेम क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए। ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरी थिंग। तो हमने क्या बनाया, BM पैरेलल टू AD। नाउ वंस वी आर प्लॉटिंग दिस BM पैरेलल टू AD, जैसे ही हमने इन दोनों को पैरेलल बनाया, तो व्हाट वी विल गेट, दिस ABMD it will be a, क्या हो जाएगा ये, it will be a parallelogram. Why? Because AB is parallel to DM. This is given, and we have constructed AD parallel to BM. So by construction, है ना, ये construction किया. So because of these 2 points, what we have got, AB parallel to DM and AD parallel to BM. Okay. Now, when the opposite sides of a quadrilateral are parallel, then it is a parallelogram. So thus we have got ABMD is a parallelogram. Up to here clear? Now, see this DC is equal to 2 centimeter. And in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So what we will get? AB is equal to DM. AB किसके बराबर होगा? DM के बराबर होगा. AB कितना है? 1. So what about DM? 1. And this AD is equal to BM. So both of them are equal to 1. तो हमको क्या मिल गया? BM is equal to 1. Now what about MC? This CM will be DC minus DM. ये पोर्शन जो होगा, जो हमको ये ट्राइंगल मिल रहा है, what we are getting? We are getting a triangle here. तो जो ये ट्राइंगल मिल रहा है, इस ट्राइंगल में CM कितना होगा? ये CM होगा 2 minus 1, है ना, 2 minus this 1. So what we will get? CM is equal to 1. Up to here clear? Now to find this height, we will take this triangle. Now what will be the area of triangle BMC? Area of this triangle BMC, this is an equilateral triangle, it will be √3/4 A square. तो √3/4 1 square. और अगर हम इसी ट्राइंगल का एरिया हाफ B into H से निकालें तो क्या हो जाएगा? हाफ CM into BN, बेस into हाइट. अब ये दोनों क्या है? इसी ट्राइंगल का एरिया है, तो ये दोनों क्या होंगे? Equal. So we are getting an equation, √3/4 is equal to 1/2 into 1 into BN. So with this, what is BN? BN कितना आ गया? √3/2. So thus in this triangle, what is BN? BN means the height of the triangle is √3/2. And in this ABCD trapezium, height of the triangle is same as the height of the trapezium. ठीक है? So we will apply the formula for we will find the area of fifth portion by the area of trapezium, which is equal to half sum of the parallel side into height. So sum half, what are the parallel side? AB and DC. So 1 plus 2. And what is the height? √3/2. So half 1 plus 2 into √3/2. So what is the area of the fifth portion? 1.3 centimeter square. I think this is clear to all of you. ये लास्ट वाला पोर्शन थोड़ा सा टफ है और ये थोड़ा सा अलग है. ठीक है? And in different books, in some books this distance, this height is taken as 1. अब क्यों 1 लिया, उसका कोई रीजन नहीं है. तो विदाउट रीजन अगर आप उसको एक्सप्लेन कर पाते हो, उसके आपके पास प्रूफ है, जैसे मैंने आपको प्रूफ करके बताया कि दिस BM is equal to √3/2. If you are able to, if in the solution this reason is given, then it's okay. नहीं तो अपने मन से नहीं लेना है कि हमने उठा के ले लिया BM 1 है. तो ये स्लैंट वाली जो थी, ये वाली साइड 1 थी, तो परपेंडिकुलर साइड क्या होगी? परपेंडिकुलर साइड उससे कम ही जाएगी, क्योंकि परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस क्या होती है, शॉर्टेस्ट होती है. ठीक है. सो द सॉल्यूशन शुड बी इन दिस वे, एवरी पॉइंट शुड बी क्लियर. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू, हमको क्या करना था अपने प्रॉब्लम में, वी हैव टू ऑब्टेन द एरिया ऑफ द पिक्चर ऑफ द एरोप्लेन. उस एरोप्लेन पिक्चर का एरिया निकालना था. सो व्हाट विल बी द required area? So what we will write? Area of aeroplane picture will be area of 1 plus area of 2 plus area of third portion plus area of fourth portion plus area of fifth portion. तो कितना आ गया फर्स्ट पोर्शन का 2.49 plus 4.5 plus third is 6.5, then fourth is again 4.5 and the fifth portion is 1.3. So what is the total? So what is the total area? The total area of the paper used. The total area will be the 19.29 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. कितना हो जाएगा 19.29 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. क्या था हमारे पास, we made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper. What is the total area of the paper used? तो जो total area of the paper used है ना, total what we have obtained, area of paper used for making the picture of total area of area paper used for aeroplane. ठीक है. और total area will be 19.29 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर.